The Echo Remote Indicator is a wireless device designed for use within Hochiki's Echo Hybrid Wireless System, operating within a mesh network and transmitting and receiving radio signals via the Echo Translator or an Echo Expander. The remote indicator provides a visible indication of any activated wireless fire detection sensors in those situations where the sensor is installed out of line of sight, within a ceiling void, or a locked walk-in cupboard, for example. The unit comes supplied with fixings and 2 pre-fitted batteries. The housing is made of white, non-combustible, ABS plastic, consisting of 2 halves, which can be separated to reveal the batteries and mounting holes. The following components are located within the unit: primary battery, secondary battery, programming button. The unit's back section is attached to the fixing surface first. The front section is then snapped into place. The device can be learnt onto an Echo Hybrid Wireless System, either using the OLED screen and programming buttons inside the Echo Translator module, or via the free Echo Configurator software. Once learnt on, the unit can be instructed to respond to 1 or more sensors within the Echo network, and this is carried out through the Fire Control Panel programming. Echo from Hochiki.